Introducing Power Series 3-in-1 handheld vacuum. Useful accessories to complement the design, and it is super easy to set it up. Ultra lightweight with powerful suction, vacuum all the dirts around the place. 90 degrees angle to easily clean under your furniture. No hassle to move around with 5-meter long wires. Handheld tools to help you with other vacuuming tasks. Rotation force helps the dust to be separated within the filter. Large dust cup for large spaces, one pull to clear the bin. Make life better with Electrova.